Hurricane Nate just went through Kentucky here just a day or two ago and just left a path of devastation, falling down trees and power lines, just a mess everywhere. I'm headed out here to the job site, gonna clean some trees up off the road, guys. I'll check in when I get there. So here it is. I've already had to cut half of this tree down yesterday, didn't film it. We were in such a panic with it being over the road and everything. And so I started it without you guys. And I know you guys like mechanicing videos, and I'm sorry about that, but I've got to help my neighbor. So we're over here and ready to start chipping some wood up. Got all plugged up. Quit throwing chips out the chute. I'm gonna flip this open and see what's going on in there. Back to work. Break time, fellers. I love break time. Gonna have an apple, crunchy, delicious fall apple. I don't know what kind it is. It's good. And a bottle of water. So here we go. Here's where we're at. Got it all picked up and cleaned up. The tree, I don't know, the lighting's bad. It's swatting to rain. This is our first load. Normally I'd do that deal where I pull out and you see me going past with this load of crap. Can't do that today because I'm just completely wore out. When we get back from unloading this, I'm going to trim this tree, guys. They want to save it. The gentleman that owns this tree wants to save this tree, so we're going to trim it back. Well, here we are at the drop-off point, and as you can see, it is coming a flood. Wait and see. Hopefully the rain will stop long enough for me to unload this wood and them wood chips that we got. Well, still raining. Got her dumped off, but an unsettling event has occurred. As you can see, my little ride got stuck here for a brief time, and mud all over everything, but we got her out. Headed most likely home because I think it's going to keep on raining. Like I say, Hurricane Nate has not let up yet. And we'll resume this tomorrow. Well, it's the next morning. This project's taking a little bit longer than I would like it to. But we're going to cut the top out of that tree. A lot cooler this morning than it has been. I'm going to fill the chainsaw up, change the blade, and we'll get started. Yeah, so I'm not a thrill seeker or anything like that, so stuff like this, it does not excite me a bit. I really get no enjoyment out of climbing up a tree on a windy day and cutting big branches out that could drag me down to my doom. So fast forward a couple hours, here's where we're at. We got most of it picked up. Here's our second load going to be dumped off. It's going to take one more little load. There's the tree all trimmed up. That's a Bradford pear tree, guys. You could cut that thing down to just a stump and it would grow back. So that's why I cut it down so much. It'll look good next year this time. This is the finished product. And we're going to work on the fence. Got a couple posts put in the ground. And who do we have here? CW has made his appearance back on the Kentucky Yankee show. CW, tell us why you're here. Work, that's right, CW. The Kentucky Yankee does not know how to repair fences, so here you are. Let's get to it.
Let's do it.
All right, CW, show us what you have in your hands. Okay, let me get a close-up on that. And what is that called, CW?
Yeah, we call it a pulley dog, but I'm not really sure what it's called.
All right. And what are you going to do? What do you got in your other hand, CW? Show us.
Come along.
Got to come along and a pulley dog. What are we going to do, CW? Tell me what we're doing.
We're going to stretch a little barbed wire.
That dog will hold on to the barbed wire, I guess, and then you'll pull it with that come along.
Yes, sir.
Make it stretch. All right, let's do it.
Get it. That's great thing. All right.
You got her pulled tight, CW, where you want it.
Seems pretty tight.
And now, what we're going to do, hold that loop up, CW. And I'm sorry, but I'm trying to show everybody what we're doing. He's made a loop on this end, one on this end, and we're getting ready to put a piece of wire in between there, tie them together, and that's how we're going to repair this fence. In the camera?
I'm in.
All right, hey, CW, let's adjust it up there just a little bit. Is that better? How do we look?
Look good.
Come on in here. I look kind of, I look short compared to you, though. All right, guys, it's getting dark. We got this fence all patched up. All we got to do is, you know, tie it to the post a little bit. And CW, I wanted to tell you something. We have a project coming. We do have another project coming up, a fun one. I've located a go-kart, that is, and we're gonna go pick that thing up, CW, and put some kind of engine on it. We've got engines laying around. So, listen. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. People are having trouble. They don't get notified. You got to hit the stupid bell on the idiot YouTube thing. So do that, and that way you won't miss any videos. We'll see you next time, guys.
Later.